Now we're going to be looking at entering a treatment plan. And you see here we're on the client homepage and the assessment. You can see is a part of the service documentation. So what you're going to do from the client homepage, you're going to click on the PCP treatment plan. You're going to click on add a new record. This is non-cap. Plan effective date we'll put for today. Expiration date, we'll say, we'll give it a year. Treatment plan. When was the treatment plan completed? So, in clients' words, what do people like and admire about John? Use clients' quotations. What's important? How to best support? In clients' words, whatever it is. What's not working? And it's okay to state mother, father, stated, and then whatever is included there. Okay? All right, and so you would save. Plan saved successfully. And let me try to move my screen just a little bit. Okay, so then you say add action plan or goals. If this is a revision or a follow-up, then you would check revision. So you want to include some long-range goals for this individual, and I think for this client, initially it was some conduct disorder issues, and so with your long range goals, they do need to represent or be reflective of the diagnosis. So maybe a long range goal would be to accept responsibility for own behaviors. Okay, where am I now? So this can be the summary of any kind. So John is currently getting suspended and blames others for him getting into fights. Client has gotten suspended 4 times within the last month. Prior treatment through outpatient therapy in 2010, I think. Treatment was helpful. So any information just indicating where the client is now in terms of the long range goals. Okay. So why is this a goal? The accepting um of own responsibility. Maybe they have a pattern of interacting, in a being aggressive. Maybe okay, so you kind of put what are the things that they're displaying. What's the short-term range goal? It could be let's see. It could be as simple as who is responsible, okay? So short range goal is in the client's words of, what they want. How's this going to take place? So it might be it might be role playing, CBT, and whatever type of modalities you're going to use. Target date, we'll say a year. Status code is new. Now, when you do the review and you say ongoing, then you would indicate why is it ongoing, or what are some of those changes. So you'll save and you'll see if you want to add another goal, then you would go through the same process over again. Okay, so then you have signature pages. Okay, and then the individual, the responsible person would check that that they understand they were a part. They would sign, print, and date. Whoever all was involved, then you would sign and date. You indicate who you met with. Okay. And then there's a signature page 2. Which is required for medical necessity, which I will sign and date. If there's anybody else other than the child or the parent, then you also have those signatures as well. And then once it's completed, you would indicate by submitting the document. Hope that makes sense. I think the treatment plan is pretty straightforward. And I'm not going to submit because I don't have the signatures. But this kind of just gives you an idea. Let me try to readjust the page. Okay. So that is the treatment plan.